Alright, what's going on, YouTube? It's EXO coming at you here late night out in front of the house. I just noticed that there's a fox in my backyard. Be quiet, you damn car. Hopefully it's still there. I'm gonna walk over to the back door and then point the camera and zoom in. I gotta be really careful and quiet because he can probably see me because there's gonna be a light over here. Okay, hold on. Okay, there he is. Right over there. See him? See him moving? See him? He's eating the berries off the bush. Okay, I'm gonna go over there a little further. But you guys definitely got a view of it. I even saw it on the LCD screen. I don't want to scare him away because he's eating. He could really use the food. He was right there eating the bushes, eating the berries off the bush. How cute was that? But yeah, you guys definitely got a little a view of him, and I might even go on to my editor just to point like a little arrow down at his face so you guys can definitely see it. So, first little fox encounter of the fall season. EXO signing out.